So an action is going to be the thing that actually occurs once this activity is triggered inside the routine, and a hole in a log and a log in a hole, right? We're going to go ahead and name this action new lead welcome message. Now, once we have this one I need to talk to you about. This selected for automatic processing. Now, this one can be a little confusing, but essentially, if it is unselected, we will have to manually perform it. If it is selected, Sam can do this on our behalf. Now, I'll talk to you guys in a couple days about the outbox, and we'll go into exactly what this means. But for the most part, you're going to want these selected. And specifically because we're going to tie that template to this one, it makes sense for it to be selected. But occasionally you might have something that you want to manually preview, and this would be an opportunity for you to do that. Now, you can also, in some cases, have multiple actions inside of one activity. And in that case, either all of them need to be selected so they can all be run automatically, or if they're not all selected, then you're going to have to go and manually decide which ones do and do not need to be run. So specifically for this one, we're just going to leave it as selected. It's going to automatically run, and that's because we're going to be sending a message and we're going to be selecting a specific template.